Good morning, students. So, last class we were be seeing a topic in your second chapter is a formation of business organization. Under that, we have seen second topic, that is joint Hindu family business. Okay, here we have been seeing what is nuclear family, what is joint family, and introduction to joint Hindu family business. We have been seeing what is the law is been followed. We have been seeing. Next, meaning of joint Hindu family business we have been seen. Then head of the family, who is the head of the family in joint, and what is Koro princess family we have been seen. Then features of Hindu undivided family business. So we had features, 5 features: formation, liability, control, continuity, and minor membership. So all this we have been seen in our last class. Today's class we will be continuing merits of Hindu undivided family business, that is advantages of HUF. So we have 4 here: effective control, first one; second one, continued business extension; third one, limited liability of member; fourth one, increased loyalty and cooperation. So first one, effective control. The Karta has absolute decision making power. This avoids conflict among members as one can interference with his right to decide. So what here is the decision maker is Karta. Okay, see, I have been taken 2 images here. So first person, okay, I will taken my second example where the eldest person Karta is the decision maker. Other family members have been following him. So he is the head. No one can argue with him or he can tell anything, okay, because all the members have to follow what the Karta is telling. That is the eldest person in the business. And here the second one also, third image also you can see where one person is guiding all the family members. I can give examples like this only, okay. So one person's interference will not affect with other one, okay. If brothers are there, if one is giving idea for the business, okay, the other person may not like that idea, so there will be lot of conflicts in the business. So that will not be there in joint Hindu family business, because the head person will be Karta and he will be controlling all the power. So control is the main thing for the business, where it will be effective in Hindu undivided family business. Second one is continued business extension, okay. Here I can give you your Reliance group, okay. Dhirubhai Ambani, where he was the founder of Reliance and they are the biggest person in India now, okay. When he was there, both the brothers, that is Anil Ambani and Mukesh Ambani, they are 2 sons they have. They were very close, they were very up to the father business, okay. They were taking care of father's business, they were going with everyone. After Dhirubhai Ambani's death, the both the sons divided the business, okay. Properties have been divided equally, okay, or according to the shares they have been divided. The business has been taken separately, okay. See here, when Karta was there, that is Dhirubhai Ambani was there, the business was not been divided. Both the sons were cooperating with them, they were doing the business. After his death, both the person has been divided the business. Then continuity business extension. The death of Karta will not affect the business, as the next elder person will take up the position. See, I have given you after the Reliance group, okay, after Dhirubhai Ambani, the business has been continuing, okay, till now we have been business, but the business has been divided into 2 parts, okay, where Mukesh Ambani has taken the business and Anil Ambani has taken the business. They have been divided, but they are not together. But in undivided Hindu family, who is the next elder person will take and run the business. There will not be any stoppage of the business, okay. So next generation people will be continuing the business. So continuity of business will be there even after the death of the Karta. Then limited liability of the members. See here, the property is for all the members in the family, okay. So liability will belongs only for the Karta, where he will be having more liability, unlimited liabilities, okay. When it comes for business, even if the person who is not running the business also will get a share of business property. Okay, so here all the people will share the liabilities. Okay, not only karta will take the liability, all the family members will put together and take the liability. So sharing of liability will be in all in the equal ratio, so there will be no risk. Okay, the risk will be defined and portions. See, when everyone is taking the liability, so the karta will have less liability, so there will be limited liability for family members. Then increased loyalty and cooperation. Since the business is run by the family members of a family, there is greater sense of loyalty towards one another. Why? See here, all the members, okay, have been put. All the family member, one blood, okay, one house members have been doing business. So what business they are doing? What is the income? What is the expenditure? What is coming in? What is going out? All will be knowing here. What will be? There will not be hidden secrecy between anyone. Okay, there will be better cooperation, because if I am buying something, I will tell in the business. Okay, as the other party, I will tell, no, I'm going to buy this one. Even they will agree. If they are selling something, no, this is the sales have been taken place, even they will agree. So here less conflict will be there and secrecy will be very less, because each and everyone will be knowing what is the business running on, and they will be having good loyalty. See, brothers and brothers cannot fight in the business. Okay, family members and family members cannot fight in the business. So loyalty and cooperation. If I tell any decision, okay, of you tell any decision for your brothers or sisters in the business, they will agree, yes, we can go with this. Okay, there will not be ego or clashes between anyone. Next we have limitations. Okay, so we will go detailedly with the limitations. So limited resources, domination of karta, unlimited liability of karta, limited managerial skill. So these four are the limitations in Hindu undivided family. Okay, the first one we will see limited resources. The joint family business face the problem of limited capital, as it depends mainly on the ancestor property. The limited is the scope of expansion of business. Okay, see here, since the business is run by the ancestors property, okay, where the ancestor means generation to generation property, and the family is run by the head of the family, that is the eldest person of the family. Now if I have an idea to develop the business, I need to take the permission of the karta. What I need to do, I need to take the permission of the karta. Karta should allow, okay, the fund should be arranged, all these problems is there. So when many people are put together and run one business, so limited resources. Now if I have to change the business, I cannot tell I need to change the business, I will invest. Okay, so limited resources, where, see here, the first image I will, it's cleanly, it's a better example. So one person is standing on the coin. Okay, let this assumption may be a coin. Okay, one person is standing on the coin. These are the family members who have been running the business. So if money we require, okay, the fund we require means we have to ask in the karta. Okay, we have to ask for from karta. Okay, the eldest person should need to give. Okay, when he is not ready to give, okay, how we can run the business? So there will be limited resources, because each and every step what we do in business, we need to take permission. Okay, decision should be discussed with the eldest person, and fund should be given by the eldest person, that is karta. Then unlimited liability of karta. The karta is burdened out only with the responsibility of decision making and management of business, but also suffering from the disadvantages of having unlimited liability. His personal property can be used to repay business debit. Yeah, see here, if one person is running the business, that is head karta, he is the decision making. Okay, he cannot tell in the business, this is the liability is there, this is the liability is there, all the member need to share. Okay, this is the losses is there, all the member need to share. He cannot tell us in the partnership form. Okay, next we will be seeing that as partnership form. So who is the only one sole responsibility is your karta, because with the family members we cannot tell, okay, you need to take this debit, you need to take this debit, okay, because everyone is dependent on karta, and karta is the main sources for the business. So here it is an unlimited liability for karta, but he should only pay all his liability if it is there, and he should only give the properties for the repaying the business debit, and he should only share all the properties to the family members. So he is the having more liability in this business. Third one is domination of karta, okay. As the head of the business is karta, he what decision he is making, okay, that should be taken by all the family members. In family members also, many there will be, okay, one or two will be telling, "Oh, no, we can't accept," okay, acceptability will be very less, and more confidence will be there, okay, because as the karta is telling, they some situations, okay, they will tell, they will take it as he is dominating us, okay, and even the karta will not even agree what the family members is telling, because he is the eldest person, so he what decision he is telling, the others should listen. So your domination of karta will be more. See, here I have taken here two images, one where all the family I can relate the images like this only, okay, all the family members are there and one person in the middle, okay, he is what he tells, okay, what is the decision he tells, the other members should follow. Then here I have taken your chessboard, okay. Why I have taken the chessboard here is for the image example, all the ministers, okay, their members will be representing as family members, and the king will be the karta. So what king is telling, that should all the family members should follow, okay. For that I have taken this chessboard for example of domination of karta. Then limited managerial skill, okay, unless karta is having the managerial skill, okay, to run the business effectively, and decision is unwise, okay, where he is been allowing all the family members to take decision, what is the skill it has been taken place, okay, all those things if he is doing, the business will run, okay, until he is having good managerial skill, okay, how to manage the business, how to take the decision, all those things have been not there, he cannot. So until he is having managerial skill, how to manage all his family members, this will lack into the business, okay, this will affect the business. So managerial skill is important for all the businessmen, not only for joint Hindu family business, for all the people there should be managerial skill, okay, how to manage each and every situations with the best decisions. Okay, the joint in the family business is one of the decline because the diminishing number of joint Hindu family in the country is less, okay. See, there have been now no one is ready to do joint Hindu family business, because why is as generation changes, okay, the mindset, okay, of the people also is been changing. Your Reliance group, okay, where Reliance group, when Dhirubhai Ambani was alive, both his sons were so cooperating with him, okay, so loyalty they were there, they were sharing all the things, okay, with him for the business. When Dhirubhai Ambani passed away, the true color of the peoples come out one or the other day, okay, like that. Anil Ambani and Mukesh Ambani, they sat with each other, they decided, no, this we are not going to run the business together, whatever is there we will share equally, or what is the proportion we will share. They have been divided business into as they want, okay, like that. Now as the family members mindset are different, we cannot adjust with how the Asian people were doing. So this joint in the family business has been declined, rare we see, what we do we see rarely when this type of business in India now. So today's we have been done till here, that is merits and limitations of your joint Hindu family business. So tomorrow's class we will be seeing other topic, the next formation of business. Thank you students.